Did you enjoy any special food or trips this summer? If you ate a little more than usual, you may be wondering how to get back on track without going on a strict diet. This summer, I went to Hawaii with my family, and we enjoyed so many delicious food together. To me, food isn't only about getting nutrients. It's also about sharing special moments with the people we love. So, when I'm on vacation, I let myself enjoy the local food without feeling guilty. Of course, I still try to start with vegetables, include enough protein, and keep some balanced when I can. But I usually eat more than I do at home, and that's completely okay. What matters is what I do after I come home. If I continue eating that way for days or weeks after vacation, it can gradually lead to weight gain. So instead of going on a strict diet or letting my vacation eating habit continue, I start a gentle reset once I return home. Today, I will share my 5 Japanese diet rules for a gentle reset after vacation and show you the simple meals I actually eat. Here are the 5 simple rules I follow after vacation. First, I don't skip meals. I return to regular eating. Second, I cut back on what I had more of during the trip. Third, I add more fiber-rich Japanese food. Fourth, I reduce sodium and stay well hydrated. And fifth, I return to my regular daily routine. Together, these 5 simple steps create a gentle reset that help me feel lighter and return to my usual rhythm after vacation. Now, let me show you how I put them into practical through the meal I eat after vacation. Let's start with breakfast. Today's meal is a small serving of rice with berry, natto, mekabu seaweed, and egg, and komatsuna with grated daikon and black vinegar. After eating more than usual on vacation, you may feel tempted to skip breakfast the next day to make up for it. But I don't skip meals. Instead, I start with a balanced breakfast and return to my regular eating rhythm. During my trip, I enjoyed more bread, dessert, and high-fat food than usual. So for the next few days, I don't simply eat less. I consciously cut back on the carbohydrate and fats I had more of during my trip. I still include a small serving of rice with berry, along with simple, low-fat side dishes and plenty of protein, vegetables, and seaweed. I also include plenty of fiber-rich Japanese food, natto, mekabu, berry, komatsuna, and grated daikon. Help support gut health and regular bowel movement. Natto and egg also provide protein, making this a satisfying breakfast. Simple, balanced meals like this help my body gently return to its usual rhythm after vacation. Next is lunch. Today, I'm having cold 100% buckwheat soba topped with wakame seaweed, okra, grated yam, and chicken breast. The highlight of this meal is the sticky texture of the okra and grated yam. Along with fiber-rich wakame. Okra, grated yam, and wakame contain soluble fiber, which helps support gut health and regular bowel movement. Soba also provides fiber, making this an easy way to add more vegetables and seaweed after eating less of them while traveling. Adding chicken breast provides plenty of protein, making this meal more balanced and satisfying than eating soba alone. Eating out more often while traveling can also mean consuming more sodium. So after returning home, I keep my meal a little lighter in seasoning. I dilute the dipping sauce and try not to drink it. I also make sure to drink water or tea throughout the day. This cold soba topping with fiber-rich sticky food is refreshing on a hot day and provide a balanced combination of fiber and protein. After lunch, I take a short walk and return to my regular routine. Regular meals, gentle movement, and enough sleep help my body naturally get back into rhythm. Finally, dinner. Tonight, I'm having a grilled fish with grated daikon and lemon, a small serving of rice, mushroom miso soup, and steamed vegetables. Since I enjoyed more high-fat food during my trip, I choose simply grilled fish with very little added oil. I still include a small serving of rice, along with plenty of fish, vegetables, and mushrooms. For the mushroom miso soup, I add plenty of mushrooms and use a little less miso to keep it lighter in sodium. Lemon adds fresh flavor to the fish and steamed vegetables without the need for heavy seasoning. After vacation, I don't skip meals. I gladly return to my usual rhythm with simple, balanced meals like this. Even if you eat more than usual on vacation, there is no need to skip meals or follow a strict diet afterward. You don't have to undo everything you enjoyed. Simply cut back a little on what you had more of. Add plenty of fiber and protein, and gently return to your usual eating and daily routine. If you like an easy way to get started with healthy Japanese eating, I've created a free Japanese diet starter guide for you. You can download it using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.